Well, hello, friends and fellow Disney fans. Welcome to day 2 of our time on the Disney Wish, and we're going to head up to the pool right now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh, these are all mimicked after those shorts where they got characters from like McDonald's type meals. Let's go.
Look, it's Dinosaur Rex! All hail Dinosaur Rex!
What's fun about this is it's kind of themed after the Partysaurus Rex short, which I think is my boy's favorite Toy Story short, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it doesn't just look like a sticker, it actually feels like a sticker they put on here. How cool is that? How'd you like that, Claire?
That one is scary.
I know, I told you that. We're going to check out Marvel Academy with the kids. What do you think, bud?
I love it. This is my new favorite room.
Like the boys are already losing their mind, Jamie.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
We found the world's greatest grammar trophy from Ant-Man.
Oh what? Really?
Yeah.
Oh that's awesome. That holds the suit, right?
Yeah, some
Stuff from dinner on the Marvel Night.
Yeah.
That ties into what the kids are doing here and stuff too.
Oh, of course. So the continued story. That's so awesome. Is that what it is?
Yep, Vibranium.
Oh, it kind of does look like that.
Oh, it is Vibranium.
Is that what it says?
Vibranium.
Oh, this is all the Wakanda stuff on this side, and then the Ant-Man stuff's on the other side, hey? Who do we got?
X-Wing in the particle.
Oh, so I got Ant-Man?
Ant-Man. X-Man over.
Peter. Or Pepper Potts.
Pepper Potts.
Stark Industries.
Wait, which one?
We can go to that art thing right now. It's just starting.
Yeah, that'd be fine.
You guys want to go do family art?
Pagan Compass.
So
We're
we're
here for craft time.
Craft time. Cake and Compass.
Cake and Compass. I was about to say Ale and Compass, but Cake and Compass. The really cool thing is it's a little bit pub, piratey theme, and there's actually maps on top. And I quite like the copper lights over there that they have. It's just the whole theming is wonderful.
ooh, no doubt.
That portal, you see the wood carvings and a Mickey pretzel up in the corner.
Oh no, wait, where? Oh yeah, isn't that hilarious?
So craft time. I guess we're
You can make them as you color them, and then you put magnets on it. You can put them on your door. That's right.
Yours is subpar.
I would agree with that assessment. I would say mine is subpar.
And trains are leading up.
Well, I like it because like the chains and the
I have
ink.
two sides.
Yeah, the trains.
Oh, so which one's better?
I don't know.
Ooh, I love it.
Yeah, I'm gonna fill in more. This is what my hands look like after a long day.
Long coloring.
Yeah.
It's fun.
What do you guys think of that?
But my hands.
We now have something to put on our door.
Yeah, for Lyndon. It can be like his, it's like in Tron. You know, the lights.
Oh, yeah. So do we want to put these in my backpack and go up, or do we want to?
Hero Zone.
What?
And on my face from the.
Yeah, you got a little bit of red there.
I got red paint for red pants.
But it was worth it because we made a really cool.
Mommy, you're bleeding. Oh no.
Okay, you look super cool with your sunglasses indoors.
Thank you. That's how I roll.
So cool.
There's Jamie. Hey, Jamie! Don't you love all the Incredibles theming on the walls and stuff? So cool. So this doubles as the gym.
Yeah.
Just awesome.
Well, the basketball court.
Basketball court, yeah. Yeah, not the gym to work out, but like the basketball court and sports area. We just got done just a whole day of doing some fun stuff on the ship. We did some art with the kids. We went and checked out the Hero Lounge. We ate a bunch of food. And now we're getting ready to go to the second restaurant, 1923.
Yes, I'm so excited. So I actually wanted to also, though, showcase my ears that I've been wearing.
Yes.
I've been wearing these ones and then these ones that are kind of like Disney themed. And these came from Magic in the Making. So if you want to check out their custom ears that they make for people, they are in the description below, their link. And you can put Jamie15 and let them know that I sent you. But these ones were just the perfect ones for a day at sea because there's little bathing suits on it. And that's what happened to me. I was in my bathing suit all day, hopping around from pool to pool and just having so much fun on the deck.
Well, let's go pick up the kids and let's go enjoy it.
Let's go.
Fancy schmancy.
I like the hair.
So Jamie, first impressions of 1923.
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, we're in the Roy Disney one. We're not in the Walt Disney one.
I assume they're mirrors of each other, probably just have some different art and whatnot around, but I would bet the look of them is very similar.
Oh, I just caught on. So the one side is Walt,
And this is
the
Roy.
other side Roy. It did say Roy in the Navigator. I just
Yep.
kind of thought they were all one.
No, it is the same restaurant. I'm sure they share the exact same menu,
Yeah.
but they're two different sides of the ship, so they are technically two different buildings.
Oh, that's
Or,
interesting.
yeah, rooms. But I mean, super elegant, super high end.
Yeah.
Kind of feels like a steakhouse. Very nice. They said it themed after kind of 1920s restaurants, and you can see it. And then throughout, you've got all sorts of art pieces celebrating the history of the Disney company.
I really like the chairs they did, like those, and then they mixed it in with some leather too, and then like all these little brass accents.
Yeah. Well, even look on your menu. There's kind of gold hints on the menu.
Very pretty.
Even look at kind of the gold look, the brass look on the ceiling. Like, very beautiful.
Yeah, it's all very nice. So each one of these little glass cabinets has a different movie, and it shows sketchbooks and just kind of mementos from the movie, and it's just really cool. Like, I kind of want to walk around.
I want to walk around. Well, because you can see right here, we're by Princess and the Frog, and so concept art right up to individual art inspired by the movie. All right, we got the tomato soup, Jamie. You got it too, so let's see what you think.
I wonder, like, what this little piece of bread is.
Is it good?
Yeah, I don't know what the bread thing is, but it's a nice soup. Okay, Brad, we got our entree. This one is the peppercorn filet mignon.
Beautiful.
And then we have over here the tortiglione pasta. So
These are the two that were recommended and the two I was looking at, to be
yeah,
honest.
we
So
decide, so we
let's
just got those.
start the pasta.
I love that.
Awesome. Okay, now over here.
Okay.
Which one do you like better? Really, the pasta?
I actually like the pasta more. But the filet mignon's wonderful too.
All right, it's the best time of the night. It's dessert time.
Okay, I got churros. I ordered 2 desserts. Oh,
Because that's what you can do on a Disney cruise. But then you also got the signature one.
oh, that's really good.
Is that really good? Okay, he was right. Well, Lyndon, what'd you think of that restaurant?
Loved it.
All right, guys. Pirate night. Pirate night. Pirate night. Pirate night.
Pirate night.
We didn't bring our pirate stuff!
All right, Jamie, what did she say about this?
Okay, I said, is it just me, or is that giving me my daughter vibes right there?
I would say yes.
It's like total Claire vibes.
Yeah, this is Claire.
You want to be who?
Yellow, Joy. So, this one is apparently Lyndon.
Yeah, this is. I'm scared sometimes. I lie.
You think so? Nervous?
But you can't tell which one's Joy, right?
No, because you're both Joy. Ready to dance, Jamie?
Yeah, we're gonna do Pirates Rockin' Party, Parlay Party.
Oh!
Whoa!
Well, that was cool. Well, we've had an interesting night. We got done with the pirate party and then went to Thor Love and Thunder, but the theater was too small and it was packed full, and it's not at the large theater.
Yeah.
And so here we are. Claire and the kids, Claire and the boys went to Kids Club, but we thought, hey, we'll give our thoughts on our second day, specifically the pirate party, and just what we thought of our impressions of day 2. So, Jamie, let's start with the pirate party. Yeah, just give me thoughts. I have many.
So, I personally wish they would have had Mickey and some characters a little bit more, because it was definitely just like people dressed in pirate rock costumes and like singing songs and stuff, which was super fun, but it was like kind of like a dance party, and then you see Jack Sparrow like, well, oh, spoiler alert.
There's spoilers, like we should say this from the beginning. There are spoilers. If you're watching this, you don't care about spoilers. That's why you're watching a vlog of what's happening.
True.
So for those of you that don't know, every ship effectively and almost every sailing has a pirate night and a pirate party.
Yeah.
Now, traditionally on the Wonder, the Fantasy, the Dream, yada, 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 what you had was, a pirate party. The Disney characters come out, sing to pre-recorded songs. Jack Sparrow comes out. There's a battle, explosions, pyrotechnics, all of that, which culminates with a fireworks show. Always very enjoyable. We always loved it. This one was different. It was a live band. Wasn't pre-recorded. You had no Disney characters other than Jack Sparrow. And then you had the fireworks that were not played to pre-recorded songs, but were actually timed with the live band.
Yeah, and that was actually really impressive.
Super impressive.
Like, that was really well done. I just wish they would have had some more like Mickey and Minnie and Donald and things like that, like dressed up.
See, and I had a completely different take. Maybe it's just because I've seen it so many times on the other cruises now, I enjoyed this far more. I thought the live band was fantastic. The quality of the sound on that deck, which you can tell they've built it for live shows.
Yeah.
They've built it. They've got multiple screens. It's way more designed for live entertainment on the center midship. And I thought it was demonstrated in full tonight. I loved that show. Now for the traditional Disney lover, I get why they would prefer the old one.
Well,
and that's
and-
where I think you're coming from.
Yeah, and I think like for families, they might enjoy seeing Mickey and Minnie a little bit more than, because they did sing a lot of songs like I Love Rock and Roll.
Oh yeah, it was a very
Halfway
rock
there, like a lot of really awesome 80s rock songs.
Yes.
But I don't think a lot of
You mean
kids,
Living on a Prayer?
Yeah.
Halfway there.
Halfway
Close enough.
But it's a lot of 80s songs.
No,
so
totally.
I don't know if that will super resonate with like little kids.
Yeah, I would agree.
They'll like it.
It is,
but-
and so this is the other question: is that no show is permanent. But is this what's going to be launching for the foreseeable future? It feels like it is. But but it did feel very adult oriented,
Yeah.
and very much like it was for the inaugural.
There was
cruise.
like so many adults like, "Wah!" And like just rocking out. Where,
Oh yeah,
because
it was a good live band.
And there was kids like around.
Oh, yeah,
dancing and
Nolan was
jamming.
loving it.
Yeah, he was like,
Some of you will love it, some of you won't. I think it's going to be hit and miss. I loved it. I thought the live band was awesome.
they were really good performers.
And again,
they
the
did bring in,
quality
like,
of the
Red.
sound is next
Really
level.
good.
Like it's better than most concerts I've been to.
Yeah. The fireworks.
Okay, so
Like,
the fireworks again
They're
to
amazing.
the live music was spectacular, and I would say the quality of how much fireworks there are in that 90 seconds because they're all short on the cruise ships.
Yeah.
That's the best one I've ever seen.
I agree.
I think none of them were even close to that.
Yeah.
But, and this is the big but, the Aqua Mouse is significantly higher than the Aqueduct, which means unless you are on the top deck
13,
starboard side,
Yeah.
you basically have a giant slide impeding everyone's view. I don't believe there was one single view that was not impeded if you're on the main deck. Or even if you're on the not starboard side, but the other side.
Yeah.
There's basically, of the 3 spots that you can get to watch the fireworks show, only 1 of 3 is unimpeded.
Yeah.
Significantly.
Yeah.
And it was still fine. I could see enough, but you'll see in the record. Well, you saw it in the recording. That is the view of everyone on deck 12.
Yeah.
Again, you've heard a few of my complaints today. Again, we're being a little picky. We're being a little honest. I still would recommend this ship to anyone who has the ability to come on it for 3 or 4 nights.
Yeah.
It is unbelievable. But I want to be honest. We don't want to lie to you.
Yeah, no.
But like overall, you've probably heard us glowingly talk about this ship throughout the whole time. 1923, which is the one restaurant that is not a dinner and a show, still spectacular. All of the kids' stuff continues to be spectacular. All of the clubs and bars and adult areas outside of the spectacular. I can't get enough of this ship. I love it. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch. We hope this helps you as you plan your next Disney vacation, and we hope it just brought a little Disney magic to wherever you are today. And if you are planning your next Disney vacation, why not contact my wife, who is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations.
That's right, I do. And if you book your Disney cruise with me, I offer up to $1,000 in onboard credit. And if you have already booked and you're within 30 days and haven't paid in full yet, you can still work with me and I still give you onboard credit. So make sure to reach out to me. My email is jamie@clickthemouse.ca, or you can contact me through the website www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie Quote. So thank you guys so much for watching.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.